Hello guys, this is Tech. Yes, it's true, still alive and doing videos. So today what I'm gonna show you is a keyboard, a gaming keyboard. I have been reached out by Tronsmart. They told me that they have a mechanical keyboard that was awesome. But before doing the review, I was checking old videos about that people made about this, and what I've heard was only good things. So I think it's a good option, maybe for Christmas if you are looking for a mechanical keyboard, cheapest one. This could be your case. So let's open it and check what we've got in the box. Just let me inform you that in this box you're gonna get a blue switch mechanical keyboard. You have the option to red switch, black switch. You have 4 options of switch buttons for your keyboard. So what you see here is we're gonna remove this from the case, and here we go. This is the keyboard. It's USB, only one connection. You got the warranty card, manual, and the CD for your software. But today nobody uses a CD. Obviously you will install it from internet because it will have the last drivers or software drivers for your keyboard. This is for what? This is for control all your RGB lights of your keyboard. Doing a quick review, this is gonna be a really quick review. Plastics are good, as I've seen. For what I see, this is a good material, okay, not cheap. On the back of it, you can, for example, do a great cable management. So you can, for example, put this like this. You can pass the cable in from the middle. You can put it from the right. I mean, you have several options here. That is great. You've got the supports for the table if you want to use it or not. Okay, and you've got the wrists support. Well, this is one of the things that I didn't like about this keyboard. There's no option of removing this, so which means that you will always have to use it. Even if you don't like it, you will have to use this support, which will make a distance from your hand to the keyboard. There are people that doesn't like this type of support. If this is one of your case, you will not like it, of course. Now let's try the sound keyboard and check it out. Let me do a zoom, okay, and check how the keyboard works. Okay. Okay guys, there's a sound that I'm not really liking, that I'm not really enjoying, which is after you pressing the key. Okay, it's the blue switch, right? It's mechanic, but there's some kind of plaque, I don't know, there's a strange sound after that. Let me try to show you in video. I don't know. Looks like I cannot explain this sound, okay? Looks like a plaque, a metal plaque that is being pressing, and since there's space inside of it, it's making some echo sound. I don't know. I mean, this is one of the things that I'm not liking on this keyboard. The blue switch is great, but then you got that strange sound. I don't know. So, this was the sound test. Let's make the RGB test. Alexa, turn off softboxes. Okay, so now we can see better the keyboard. As you can see, we have several marks here. As you can see, designs. For example, if you press this one, okay, if you're gonna press this one, you're gonna get, for example, the rainbow effect. As you can see, green, blue, I mean a fade out and fade in of different colors. F6, it's reactive, for example, reactive keyboard. As you can see, you press it and it's gonna react. Let's change for another option, another option. Okay, this is other option, as you can see, and another option. You have several options here. RGB is awesome, okay? You've got a lot of RGB. One of the things that I too didn't like about this keyboard was the option, as you can see here, it has RGB on sides, as you can see, and you can change the colors too, which is great. Okay, more options. I mean, you've got a lot of options in this keyboard. It's one of the things that I really like it was the RGB. If people like RGB, you can, for example, decrease the color, decrease the brightness, increase the brightness. I mean, RGB is totally awesome, okay? RGB is totally awesome. Okay, now that you have seen these are all options here, it will be your decision if you think that this keyboard is worth buy, since it's really cheap. I mean, I'm talking about $60, okay, for a mechanical keyboard with these kind of components and with this kind of features. It's really great, since you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a gaming keyboard, mechanical, blue switch, RGB. I mean, if you're starting your setup, this will be definitely a good choice, since it will make your setup look great. RGB lights, material of the keyboard, blue switch, price. You got a lot of pros here in this keyboard. Cons: you got a strange sound that I don't like it when you press the keyboard, and you cannot split this. I mean, if you want to remove the wrist support, you don't have this option. Guys, as you know, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Instagram. And as I always say, bye bye and see you soon. Bye.